Away they go. St. Mark from the outside. Rushing up is Jet Express to grab the lead. Jet Express, the leader. St. Mark rushing up. Dr. Choice. Tidal also moving up. School Reception. Manila Magic Danori inside. Admiral Contender is racing in 7th position. Tonic Water, make no mistake. And Hakuna Matata is running at the tail of the field. Jet Express, Tidal, Dr. Choice is running in the middle. Jet Express, Dr. Choice, Bilateral, Tidal from the outside third. And here comes St. Mark, Cool Reception. Manila Magic is running Bilateral, Admiral Contender. Make no mistake, Tonic Water and Hakuna Matata is still running at the tail of the field as they race the final corner. Jet Express still leading by some 2 lengths and running by the rallies. Dr. Choice, Manila Magic rushing up from the outside. Tidal, St. Mark also moving up. Admiral Contender, Cool Reception, Hakuna Matata, and hitting the finish line. Manila Magic, Cool Reception moves up, and finally Cool Reception, Admiral Contender, make no mistake, St. Mark, Hakuna Matata, and Manila Magic for your Super Sais.